The key to really good, easy weeknight tacos, my friends, is a really good taco seasoning blend. The problem is there aren't really many good ones out there. I grew up on those little packets that you get at the store that my mom used to buy. The problem with those is they're really devoid of flavor and they never have any heat. And a lot of times they kind of taste like cardboard because they're really old seasonings that have been sitting around in like a warehouse or on the shelf for 2 years. That's just not gonna do for chili heads like us who like good spicy flavor and excellent, delicious flavors. So I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade blend that really delivers in the chili pepper flavor. And I'm also gonna show you how to customize it to make it your own. So, all right, let's do it. So a lot of taco seasoning blends include chili powder in their recipes. But really what that refers to is usually an American chili blend, and there's some real good ones out there. But for us as chili heads and spicy food lovers, we really want that chili pepper flavor to shine, that chili powder flavor. A lot of recipes don't include very much, so I like to focus on the chili powders because that's where the awesomeness is really. And if you want to go next level with this, you can dehydrate your own peppers and grind them into powders. Like I've got dehydrated peppers all over the house. My pantry's filled with them from my garden, super hots to milds, all kinds of peppers. But for this particular recipe, we're gonna use some store-bought chili powders that you can get online or some local stores carry them. But for me, I love to use a nice blend of ancho powder. And here I have a tablespoon of ancho powder. And I have a tablespoon of guajillo powder. Amazing flavor. And this is a tablespoon of a New Mexican blend. It's a hot New Mexican blend. And there are different levels of heat you can get, but this is just a blend of the hotter New Mexican pods. And I have paprika. This is smoked paprika, a tablespoon. And you can use different paprikas. There's lots of different ranges of heat and flavors with those. This is smoked, a hotter blend, but you can do sweet, smoked or not smoked, but really the choice is yours. And I have a tablespoon of garlic. This is granulated garlic. And onion as well, a tablespoon of onion. And I have a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. I love Mexican oregano. Use Mexican oregano. You can use regular, like Italian oregano, but Mexican oregano, it's better. And I have a tablespoon of cumin. Now you can include more cumin if you want to. It's a distinctive flavor, very delicious. I love it, but you can add more if you want. And here I have a teaspoon of salt. And with salt, you can always skip the salt and only add it to your recipe as you're cooking because different people like different levels of salt. But this is for me and Patty, we know what we like, so. And I have a teaspoon of black pepper. For some extra heat factor, I'm including a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And this is really where you can customize the recipe a bit more as well. You can go ahead and include hotter chili powders or chili flakes. A good example would be chili de arbol. There's a nice level of heat to chili de arbol. I think it's very good for like general cooking and nice, heat. But you can go a little crazy. Hey, you want to grind up some 7 pots and add some of that in there? I mean, hey, go for it. Ghost pepper. I like a little pinch of ghost powder actually in my Cajun seasoning blend because I like I like that nice blooming heat with my dishes. But so yeah, let's mix this up. Look at that. So easy to make, isn't it? This taco seasoning works with any kind of tacos that you want to make, no matter what you want to make. So, hey, I'd love to hear in the comments below what kind of tacos are you making tonight. And I'd also love to hear how you customize it, make it your own. So what kind of chili powders you're going to use, I totally would love to hear it. This can really work as a general seasoning as well for cooking lots of other meals. But if you're looking for another great seasoning blend that really delivers in a totally different way, check out one of my favorites. It is Cajun seasonings. I have a homemade Cajun blend that you're gonna love. And I can't wait to see you in the kitchen next time, guys. I'll look for your comments. Thanks, bye.